let's start with chapter number 7, food, house and clothes. So in this chapter, we will study about food, house and clothes. So let's start with the chapter now. All living beings need food and we need food to eat. What food gives us? Energy to work, play and do our daily activities. And food also keeps us healthy and we eat different kinds of food that helps us in different way. So we need a house to live in. And what house gives us shelter? It protects us from heat, cold, rain and wild animal. The house may be big or small, बड़ा भी हो सकता है, छोटा भी हो सकता है, but it should be kept neat and clean. कैसा होना चाहिए? Neat और clean. We need clothes. Why do we need clothes? We need clothes to cover our body, to protect it from heat, cold, rain and your insects, right? And what? By wearing clothes, we look smart and attractive. Now write different types of food. We have 3 different types. Energy giving foods, bodybuilding foods and protective food. First is energy giving. Foods that gives us energy is called energy giving food. Energy giving food also helps our body to stay warm. This type of food, what it contains? Carbohydrates and fats. So these potato, rice, sugar, chapati, these are energy giving. Then we have bodybuilding food. So the food which helps our body to grow is called bodybuilding. It makes our bones and muscles strong. Like milk, cheese, fish, egg, pulses. What are these? Bodybuilding. Then protective food, fruits or vegetables. ये आपके protected food है, ये हमारी body को protect करते हैं from disease. So food contains vitamins and minerals. They are protective food. Fruits, vegetable, nuts. ये हमारी body को disease से protect करते हैं और हमें कैसे रखते हैं? Healthy. Then we have water, which is very important for us and it is a precious resource. It helps to throw out waste from the body. Water also carries food around the body and at least you should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Next is types of houses. We have 2 types of houses, kacha house and pakka house. So let's study about the pakka house, the houses that are built from cement, brick, iron, steel. Right? They are very strong and long lasting. इनको हम पक्का हाउस और परमानेंट हाउस भी कहते हैं. ये आपको टाउन्स और सिटीज में देखने को मिलते हैं, जैसे मल्टी स्टोरी बिल्डिंग, सिंगल स्टोरी, बंगलो. देन वी हैव कच्चा हाउस विच इज मेड अप ऑफ स्ट्रॉ, क्ले, वुड एंड बैम्बू. जैसे मोस्टली दे आर फाउंड इन विलेजेस. जैसे आपके हट्स हो गए, ये ज्यादा स्ट्रांग नहीं होते हैं और दे आर लॉन्ग लास्टिंग. दे कैन बी ब्रोकन डाउन एंड रीबिल्ड इजिली एंड दे आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड टेम्पररी हाउस. इन्हें हम कौन से हाउस कहते हैं? टेम्पररी हाउस. Let's study about some special house like we have carver. It is a movable house. It can be moved easily from one place to another. People who live and move from one place to another in such house, unko hum gypsies कहते हैं. Then we have tent which is usually made up of canvas or cloth. It is used by campers, nomads and soldiers and it can be folded easily. Nowadays, tents are also made of synthetic material. So in China, houseboats को हम क्या कहते हैं? Sampans, and about 1/3 of population are suffering from iron deficiency. ठीक है, हाउस बोट आपके वुडन हाउस होता है, आपको कश्मीर, केरला में देखने को मिलते हैं. केरला में इग्लू, इट इज अ हाउस बिल्ड ऑफ स्नो. ये आपको बहुत कोल्ड प्लेसेस में देखने को मिलता है, जैसे पोलर रीजन. और कौन रहता है यहाँ पे? एस्किमोस. स्टिल्ट हाउस इज मेड अप ऑफ लॉन्ग पीस ऑफ वुड और मेटल फाउंड इन क्लोसेस वेयर रेन मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. और फ्लड जो होते हैं वो बहुत ज्यादा कॉमन होते हैं. वाटर कैन नॉट एंटर और वॉश अवे दीज हाउसेज as they are high above the ground. Then we have clothes of different season. We have different season and we wear different types of clothes. If we talk about summer season, in summer season we wear cotton clothes. Keeps us cool, right? Then we have winter season. In winter season we wear woolen clothes. It keeps our body warm. If we talk about rainy season, in rainy season we wear clothes made up of rubber so that we may not get dry. So I have told you about the different types of clothes that we wear according to the season. So let's read it now. We wear woolen clothes. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Cotton clothes soaks up sweats or keeps us body cool. Woolen clothes winter में पहनते हैं, हमारी body को warm रखते हैं. जैसे जो आपके clothes leather के या wool के बनते हैं वो हम winter में. Rainy day में हम क्या पहनते हैं? Clothes made up of rubber या जो plastic के बनते हैं waterproof होते हैं, right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we'll meet in next class. Thank you.